This is a nice place to hang out. So where's my room? So this hotel is promoting a family with kids to come here. They have like a mini water park here. And there's an artificial sand, artificial beach over there, and there's some sand over there. All the rooms have pool access. The Hard Rock shop. This is the Hard Rock cafe, and we have Michael on the guard. If you want this, subscribe to my channel and tell your friends, at least 5 of your friends, to subscribe to my channel, and you can get this. This hotel, though, in general is quite nice, and the room is nice, and the environment is nice as well, because sort of like a boutique hotel where there is a music all around, and there is a hard rock shop and hard rock cafe as well. There is a free access to the pool, to the beach, and also you can buy anything in the hard rock shop. If you stay here, then you can get the 10% discount. And also this hotel has the cabanas that you can book. There is a charges for 80 RM. Hopefully later today the day will be clear, and I can do the time lapse for the sunset. I will do the additional tour on inside the room. I forgot to mention there is some horses as well if you want to ride a horse. So it's on the beach. It's not belong to the hotel, but yeah, if you want to ride, so you can come here. I will do the additional tour inside the room, which before I didn't highlight to you guys earlier. And the beach is very close by. It's only like few steps. Let me show you. So this is where I sit. And that's the beach. Look at that lightings below Marilyn Monroe. Another one here, down here, which gives it a cool vibe in the room. And also, look at that. Small guitar on the pillow. Nice. And a lamp, not an ordinary lamp. It has this with an actual string on it. Look at that. On the pillow of the armchair. The mirror, if you wanna do your own thing, brush your teeth, you have to open this. And here as well, and you have yourself a mirror, but you cannot see the Elvis now. So if you want to see Elvis, so you have to close this, and here you go. You have your own private Elvis picture looking at you, doing your own business. Oh, and also the cool thing about this room as well is the Boss Mini Soundlink 2. Let me try it.
Battery 100%.
I'm gonna head to the convenience store just in front of the hotel. Let me take you there. Okay, the show is about to start. Let's go.